Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. So, student, we had not discussed this chapter number, chapter number 4, word processing of Microsoft Word, that mm, exercise. So, let's discuss about the exercise, and then your chapter for midterm is completed now. Midterm portion is chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5, the chapter will come for your exam, midterm examination, and the question answers I will give you as a PDF format. And now let's discuss some exercise questions. So here, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. It is given here. The exercise questions. Exercise question is given here. So first you have to read the fill in the blanks. What is given in the fill in the blanks? If it is not visible for you, then I will repeat the answer. You hear the answer and then write. And this all answers you have to write in your book only with the help of pencil. So first question is, word processing involves activity like creating, editing and viewing. Creating, editing and viewing. Then fill up our examples of word processing software. WordStar, WordPerfect, PageMaker. WordStar, WordPerfect, PageMaker. Then the tabs of the ribbon in Word are, what are the tabs? Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailing, Review and View. What is the answer? Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailing, Review and View. Then the window control buttons are minimize, restore, down, close button. These are the Windows control buttons: minimize, restore, down and close button. The 5 different ways of viewing a document are print, layout, web layout, outline view, draft view, full screen reading. Print, layout, web layout, outline view, draft view, full screen reading. To see how your document appear in a browser such as Firefox or internet, you have to use the web layout view. Then 7th, fill up are the types of page orientation, portrait and landscape. Then to use the redo and undo button, we use the quick access toolbar. Text written below the line of normal text is called subscript. Below the line of normal text is called subscript and above the line is called a superscript. The backstage view is accessible by clicking the File tab. Now multiple choice question. The extension of Word file is .docx. This is not a valid text alignment option. Middle. This option is not present in the File tab. Copy. The shortcut option to move text from one place to another is Ctrl plus X. To select a paragraph, we have triple click. This option is not present in the Insert tab, Header and Footer. When we save a Word document, the name of the file appears in the title bar. The option in the page layout tab are not cover page, blank page, page break. To adjust the page size, we go to the page layout tab. Using the header and footer toolbar, we can't insert this in the page table. Then come to the true false. To insert a new drawing canvas in your page, we need to go for shape command. In the insert tab, it is false. The track changes option is present in the view tab, false. Preview viewer tool is present with the print command in the file tab, is true. What other provides us with a selection of image. False. To align or rotate the image, we need to access the Format tab of the image. True. Toggle case in Word changes the letters of a word to uppercase. False. Borders and shading buttons are in the Home tab. True. Word's autocorrect feature can be used to change the font of a word. False. Reviewing pane is used to display the comments in the margin of the document. True. The zoom slider selects us zoom the document to 500% maximum. True. Then match the command to the keyboard shortcut. Shortcut is given here. So student, here 2 times Control X is given. So here you see the picture and then make it correct. Alt plus F4, Alt plus F4. You have to cut the Control plus X1 and then there write Alt plus F4. It is visible for you from here. You see and do the correction in your book. So the shortcut keys is given. What is the answer of copy? Control plus C. Open an existing file. Control plus O. Cut. Control plus X. Exit. Alt plus F4. Undo. Control plus Z. Redo. Control plus Y. Find. Control plus F. Select the whole document. Control plus A. Open a new file. Control plus N. And then student, that the question answers I will give you one by one. This all the question answers I will give you. This given or not, this question answers I will give you. Then you have to write the horse question in your practical notebook also. Read the question and then write the answers. Then come to the next chapter. What is the next chapter? Chapter number 5, types of software. That software exercise, let's discuss once again. True false, machine language is called a low level language. True. Mnemonic codes are used to high level language. False. Assembler is an example of language translating software. True. Application software interacts directly with the operating system. False. An antivirus is device driver software. False. Disk fragmenting and disk cleanup improves the computer performance. True. WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger are examples of mobile application. True. Compiler is slower than interpreter. False. Multiple choice question. An operating system is stored on the RAM. Microsoft Word is a, what is the answer? Application software. Software that compress files so that it occupies less space. For an example, utility software. If you attach a scanner to your computer, you will need to install device driver. The program which forms an interface between the user and the computer operating system. The program which translates each source program into ones and zeros is called assembler. Assembler not known as all, interpreter, compiler, assembler. So answer is all of this. Assembly language program are more difficult to write than machine language. This is not a system program. Which one is? Antivirus program. Application program can be categorized as all of this. Then utility program include virus scanning. Give two examples of which. Low level language, COBOL, Fortran. High level language, COBOL and Fortran. Low level language, binary code, language translator, assembler, interpreter. Types of software, system and application software. Types of system software, utility and operating. Then types of application software, mobile software and general purpose software. Customized application software, inventory and education software. General purpose application software, Microsoft Office, Flash. Mobile application, Gmail, WhatsApp, Facebook. Device driver, CD-ROM reader, printer. Then utility software, disk cleanup, disk management, then software that help to maintain your computer, antivirus, then disk cleanup. uh, this cleanup is the answer. Then answer the following question is given here. All the question answers I will give you as a PDF format, and you have to do the scientific zone. In your book it is written at horse question. Horse question, you have to read the textbook once and then find out the answer and write all the horse question in your practical notebook. So student, next class will discuss the revision chapters. I will do the chapter wise revision, and then side by side I will give you the PDF as a PDF format notes also. You have to write all the notes in your notebook. All the exercise question you have to tick in your notebook only. With the help of pencil you have to write the answers. And I will give you the revision questions also this time in midterm, how the question will come, MCQ, with the help with MCQ, and some subjective types questions also will be there in the midterm examination. And your that syllabus is lesson number 1 2 3 4 5 up to types of software you have to learn for your midterm examination. Thank you.